Okay, let it be. I'll create one case. Discard. I will create a case now. Okay. Now what is happening? It is asking to enter the ID. First I'll enter some wrong ID. So what will happen? The message is showing. If I enter correct ID, the data is coming. But if I enter wrong ID, data is not coming and it is showing an error message. But I want this error message only here, not here. Okay, not on the property, only on the page. So what we will do, we'll go to activity. Instead of property set message, I'll do page set. Okay, for that I'll create one step here. What is the step? Page set message. Okay, page set message. Okay, what is this page set message? It is asking me to call the message from here. So for that, we need to create one message rule. How I will create one rule? So inbuilt rules are available, but I'll create my rule. What is that? How to create? So it is easy. Go to work class, create technical. Where is that? Under technical, the message is here. We need to create a message rule now. What is the message rule? Customer not available. Customer ID, no? Okay. Customer ID not available. So, not available message I'll use MSG, okay? Just for, no, reference, nothing wrong, okay? Create and open. Category, just select error. The message is, what is the message? Yeah. You should not use double quotes, okay? The ID which you are searching, the ID is not valid. We can say not valid. Okay, this message I want to show. So I'll save this. After saving this, I'll call this message rule. Okay, classification. Classification we need to give. Okay, resource not found we can. Okay, check out and save it. Okay, done. Now I'll go to activity. I'll call my message rule here. What is that message rule? Just now we created, no? Customer ID not available. That message rule. Okay, where is that? చూపులు కట్టి వచ్చావు. This is primary. On primary work page we need to display customer ID not available message. The rule which we created, we are going to call now. Okay, save it. You know what? If it is fail, we applied jump rule to B1. Okay, here I applied jump rule to B1. When if step status is fail, what is B1 step? Property set message. Now I'll comment this message, this rule. So this method, this commenting means it will not execute. So I will make, I have used property set message here. Yeah, I'll make page set message as B1. So what I'm saying here is, if it is fail, execute the B1 method, that is page set messages. We'll see. I'll try to execute the case now. Customer ID, first I'll give correct ID. Okay, cust12, not this one. Okay, I'll turn off the cap. Cust12 is the correct ID. If I give the data is coming very well, very well. If I give wrong ID, what will happen? See, the message is not coming now here. Earlier it came here, no? Now, in the new case, it is only coming on the top on the page, not on the property. This is how we need to achieve by using the method called page set. Here, I'll open it. Activity page set message. Okay, for that we need to create one message rule so that we can achieve that. Okay, but I want to do some more enhancement to the screen. What is that? The ID is not valid, so instead of the beside to this ID, I want to display like the ID CUST1234 is not valid. How to achieve this? How to achieve this? So to achieve this, we need to pass the parameters to the message rule. How to pass the parameters to the message rule? I'll open the message rule. I'll open parameter. First, I'll give some name. For ID, I'll give cust ID as a, this parameter we will not use, but why I am giving here is to call the parameter here. Okay, in message rule, we will call the messages as in different way, like we need to call with curly brackets. Okay, why this is not working? Shift, what happened? Oh my god, this button is not working or what? 1 second. Very good. This button is not working. I don't have other options to find. Arre yaar. The flower brackets are not working on my keyboard. So I'll found some alternative method. What we'll do? Here we can find, I think, symbols. Where is that symbols? Okay, we'll ask ChatGPT because my keyboard is not working. Okay, now I will use it. What else we do? I'll pass the parameter. What is that parameter? Parameter 1. This is the first parameter. I'll pass the parameter here. Okay, we should use curly brackets. Just save it. What is the error? The parameter is never referenced in message. Environment parameter 1 at position 21. Okay, one extra space is here. Now I will save it. Yes. So this parameter we need to give the value to the parameters, right? Okay, we have called the parameter, we have given the parameter. So I'll go to activity. I'll go to activity, then page set messages, open it. Here we need to give double quotes. Start double quotes. Double quotes slash t double quotes plus. Now we need to pass the parameter. What is the parameter? First parameter param dot. What is the parameter? Customer ID. It should show, right? So what is the parameter here? ID. So where is that? Param dot ID. So what is the message here? We'll save it. It's giving error. What is the error? Okay, we need to give in double quotes. So what will happen now? I'll create a case and check now. First I'll give correct ID only. It's working fine. I'll give wrong ID now. The ID is not valid. Oh, dot param ID. It's coming like this. So it's not passing value. Okay, we need to change it. It's showing error. We'll check it. Okay, I will open the message rule first. Here, the ID. So the customer ID should come here. The ID. Okay, what is the ID? It should come here. Is not valid. It should come like this. Okay, first I will save it. So after that I'll go to activity. I'll call here. Okay, first I'll clear it. I'll call it again. This message rule I need to call, but by using parameter values. So give double quotes, space slash t, double quotes close. So space plus you can give as, so you can give now parameter. What is the parameter for customer ID we have defined earlier while we are working on the this method, like here I think in Obj-Open we have used that. Okay, this is customer ID. We have used it. Well, to enter the data we have used it, right? We have defined that parameter. So I'll use that. Customer ID is represented by using parameter ID. So what I will set here, plus param dot control that ID. I have used that. I have passed the parameter here. Okay, save it. Save it. So if it is fail, jump to the property, sorry, page set message. So I'll execute the case now. What will happen? We'll see. First I'll give correct ID. Cust 1 2. Very good. Data is coming. I'll give wrong ID. So the ID now it is going from here to here. CUST123 is not valid. Is not valid. So I want to add one message here. CST not valid. Try with another ID. So how we will do? Go to activity. Open the same page set messages here. Here. Okay. What we'll do? /t plus try with correct ID. If I do like this, what will happen? We'll see. Oh, what is the error? No, I think we need to pass the parameters. Okay. Yeah. I'll define the parameter now. It will not come like this. Okay, if we want to display another message, we need to define one more parameter here. Okay, we should pass the parameter only. Okay, how to pass it? I'll define the parameter like I'll use some RE. RE is the parameter. Okay, for that I need to set the property set. I'll set the property here. So we have created a case. Then if it is wrong, it is showing. Okay, I'll create this is old case I think. Yeah, I'll create case again. First I'll give correct one. So I'll give wrong one. Correct one data is coming. If I give wrong one, this data is CUS2123 is not valid. So here I want to pass one more value, one more parameter. Like if I have one more parameter, how we will do? We'll see. We'll go to activity and Go here, space plus double quotes slash t quotes close. Okay, plus we need to define the parameter. I started defining it, so we have used re, right? So I'll assign the value to the re. Okay, what is the value I'll give? Use correct id. I'll give something, I'll give. So after that I set the property. Now I'm calling this property here, that is, what is that? Param dot re. So I'll go to message rule and I have to define it. Here it should come, no? First we need to create second property. So second parameter we need to define here. What is that second parameter? We can name it anything. Okay, I'll name it something name you can give. Okay, name is not the big deal. So I'll save it. Now I'll create a case and test it. So first we'll go with correct ID only. Okay, good, data is coming. I'll give wrong ID. So the ID CST123 is not valid. Use correct ID. This extra message we have passed by using activity. First we have defined one parameter here. For second parameter I have used second curly braces. Okay, for text anyways you get, for displaying only this message. Okay, this message no need to use this parameter value. In case in future if we require how to pass parameter, I'm saying just for displaying use correct ID, you can directly write here. Okay, you can directly write here because it is a text message only, not no need to pass by parameter. If we have another parameter, how to achieve it, I'm just explaining you. Okay, first we need to define parameter, then we can use the parameter, call the parameter here. For that we need to go to activity, define the parameter, then assign the value to the parameter. By using property set I have assigned the value, then I have called the parameter here by using plus slash t plus param dot this parameter I am calling. Okay, this is how we need to achieve. Okay, now I'll show the final output as usual. If I enter correct ID, data is coming. If I enter wrong ID, it is saying the ID CUST only is not valid, use correct ID. It is giving error like this. Okay, thank you, bye bye, signing off.